Hi all and welcome back to our channel. Today's video we shall showcase Mercedes-Benz cars from the early 80s and the early 90s. Today's video is dedicated to the Mercedes 200, or also popularly known as the E-Class to all of us today. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the unboxing. This beautiful model is made by Norev under license from Mercedes-Benz. This is an official licensed product. Seen here is the Mercedes-Benz 200, or the petrol version, in a beautiful olive green. Doesn't she look stunning? Let's get into the exterior. The clear headlamps along with the large trademark Mercedes grille just gives this oomph. The bonnet opened up leads to a clean engine bay with the engine clearly displayed. The tires with the olive green hubcaps makes this look beautiful. The interior is done up in a beautiful shade of green with matching carpets. The dash looks clean, as we can see. The steering is a 4-spoke steering wheel. The rear is also done up in this beautiful shade of green. Doesn't she look amazing? The rear also displays the speakers, which are clearly seen along with the first aid kit. Chrome has been generously used even on the ORVMs that can be seen. The car has a large windscreen along with clear wipers. The rear is clean as a Mercedes should be. With the boot open, we can also see the hazard sign. The exhaust pipe does have chrome used again. The antenna here can be clearly seen. Overall, Norev has done a fantastic job with this build in a stately olive green. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Look forward to seeing you in the next videos.